Hey Simran, I am back. I have already devoured the last books you recommended. They were great, especially the twist at the end of the murder mystery. But now I need something even more thrilling. Something that will keep me up all night. Hey Nisha, I am glad you enjoyed those. If you are looking for something thrilling, you are in for a treat. We have just got some new titles in, and I have got a few recommendations for you. Are you in the mood for a psychological thriller or more of an action packed suspense? I think I want a mix of both. Something with a lot of twist, suspense, and maybe a bit of mystery. You know, the kind where you don't see the ending coming. I have got just the thing. How about The Girl in Room 105 by Chetan Bhagat? It's a thriller with a bit of romance, mystery, and plenty of suspense. It follows a guy who visits his ex girlfriend's room one night only to find her dead. From there, things spiral into a tense investigation with plenty of surprises. It's definitely a page turner. Chetan Bhagat wrote a thriller? I did not see that coming. I always thought he stuck to romance and college dramas. Yeah, he is mostly known for that. But The Girl in Room 105 is a bit different. It has some romance, but yeah, he's mostly known for that. But The Girl in Room 105 is a bit different. It has some romance, but the mystery and the tension are what really drive the story. It is fast paced and has enough twist to keep you guessing. That sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. What other thrillers do you recommend? If you want something darker, I would suggest You Beneath Your Skin by Damayanti Biswas. It is a crime thriller set in Delhi. The story revolves around a series of brutal crimes, and the protagonist, a psychiatrist, gets tangled up in the investigation. It's a gritty, suspenseful, and dives deep into some tough issues like corruption and gender violence. Wow, that sounds intense. Does it have a lot of twists? I love when a thriller keeps me guessing. Oh, definitely. Just when you think you have figured something out, the plot shifts. Plus, the way it portrays the characters' struggles makes the story even more gripping. It's not just about the mystery, but about how the characters are affected by everything happening around them. That sounds like a perfect mix of thrilling and thought provoking. What else do you have in the psychological thriller category? Okay, for something that is both psychological and intense, I would recommend Rakshas, India's number one serial killer, by Piyush Jha. This one is a dark thriller and it takes you inside the mind of a serial killer. The protagonist, a cop, has to unravel a series of murders while dealing with his own personal demons. It's a chilling and will keep you on edge the entire time. A serial killer thriller set in India? That sounds so good. How graphic is it? I am okay with some dark content as long as it is not too disturbing. It is definitely dark, but it is more about the suspense and psychological tension that outright graphic violence. The focus is on the cat and mouse game between the killer and the cop, and the twists are so well done. You will be trying to figure out the killer's next move right alongside the characters. Perfect. I love a good detective versus killer boy story. I am definitely adding this one to my list. If you are in the mood for something a little less dark but still full of suspense, there is also The Hidden Hindu by Akshat Gupta. It is more of a conspiracy thriller with elements of mythology. It follows the journey of a man who uncovers secrets about an immortal being. It is a unique blend of thriller and mythology that will keep you hooked. Oh, that sounds different. A mix of thriller and mythology? I am intrigued. Is it fast paced? Very fast paced. Once you start, you won't want to put it down. It's got that mix of historical intrigue, suspense, and conspiracy, all tied together with an interesting mystery. Plus, it is a refreshing change if you want a break from the darker crime thrillers. Sounds like a perfect weekend binge. Also, so I have got the Girl in the Room 105, You Beneath Your Skin, Rakshas, and The Hidden Hindu. That should keep me busy for a while. You have got yourself a great selection there. From mystery and romance to dark crime and psychological suspense. Plenty of twists to keep you entertained. Thank you so much, Simran. You always know exactly what to recommend. I can't wait to dive into these. You are welcome, Nisha. I am always happy to help. Let me know what you think after you are done. And if you are ever in the mood for more thrillers, you know where to find me. You bet I will. I am sure I will be back soon with more requests. Enjoy your reading and take care.